Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Monday Market Breakdown. So, guys, on this session, I'm going to be giving you an update on this pair which we spoke about on our last session, which is the Australian dollar over the New Zealand dollar. So, guys, I'm going to give you a breakdown on how I executed this trade and how I'm looking to scaling. So, let us jump into the high time frame and let us break this pair down. So, let us clear the chart and let us start with our analysis. So coming over onto the high time frame, what do we see? So we do see price coming from this being what our impulsive movement, and then this being what our sideways corrective structure that we can identify like so, and say that price is having what the higher probability of impulsing down, and this is just what the part of what a retest. So this is how I'm looking at what at this price. Impulse correction, this higher probability of continuing to impulse down. And then now, coming on to our mid-time frame, we are seeing what the same type of movement. This is our impulsive movement. This is what our corrective structure, as you can see. So this is also having what the higher probability of continuing to do it to impulse all the way to the downside. Impulse correction, impulse down. And then finally, when it came toward the entry time frame, what do we see? This being what our impulse, this is what our overall corrective structure. As you can see, decided to enter where? On the breakout, place my stop loss above, and I'm currently running somewhere around 2% profit. But the overall target as well, all the way to the downside for something for a possible 11% return. So if you can check on Discord, under mental analysis, I did speak about this pair even on our last session. This was the overall pair that we were looking for. We are still anticipating for this to drop to the downside. And price did eventually do what? Give us exactly what we forecasted for. So on this one, the most important thing that you can do, since price is running somewhere around 2%, you can move up and stop loss to break even so that you can be in a risk-free trade. So even if the market does decide to do to come back against you, you know that you're not going to be losing anything. And when it comes to forward, our scaling opportunity, what am I looking for in order for me to scale in just a simple corrective structure like this with at least 2 swing lows and 2 swing highs would be sufficient in order for me to do it, to scale in on the breakout and my stop loss above. Because why? I know the overall momentum is still to the downside. So I'm just looking for an entry point in a form of a continuation. That's when I can do what I can look to do to scale in for another possible trade onto this overall pair. But for now, the only thing that I can do is to continue to hold this trade and see how the market will unfold. So this is how I'm looking at what Australian dollar over the New Zealand dollar. So I don't know, guys, if any of you have any questions. Are you all on the same page? Any questions, guys, before we close off this session? Okay, it doesn't look like anyone is typing any questions. Okay.
Hello, can you hear me? Usiso?
Yeah, I can hear you, man. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm also good, brother.
Yes, man. I noticed that you sent the Zoom link in the Discord, so I'm not sure how that goes.
Yeah. Raymond said I should also include the people on Discord so that they join.
No, but you sent a Zoom link. So are you on Zoom? Because
yeah, I'm sharing both on Whoop and on Zoom.
okay, okay, no problem. I think but she didn't share Zoom. It should be hosted right here on the platform, ne?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, but I'm glad, man. I like the analysis that you've done. I believe that the members can also be able to benefit from it, and let's just go all in much more deeper.
Definitely, brother. Let's push. Okay, I'm seeing a question. Can you please analyze gold? I don't have gold on my watch list for today, but let me do a quick analysis and share my thoughts. So, okay, when it comes to gold, let me do a quick top-down analysis. Okay, just from looking at this on the high time frame, I don't think there's much that you can analyze from gold because the previous point that I would look for was somewhere around here. If you can see on gold, starting from the high time frame, this is where I would look for potential interest on gold before I can drop onto my other time frame because I want to do what I want to catch that impulsive move. Maybe I'm missing something. Once it gives me that impulsive move, then I would override it maybe like this for this possible continuation. So the move has already happened. So the buys have already taken place. But this is how I would look to execute those buys on gold. On my entry time frame, so I would pick my buys on the breakout. My stops above, and currently I would be somewhere around 5% profit. But for now, the reason why I'm not interested on gold on the weekly, it's because I wouldn't have any target. I would not have any target for me to place on this structure unless I measure the impulsive length of this impulse that it came from and edit here. Then this would make more sense. Maybe you can take any scaling opportunities that come your way. But I don't like to enter when price has already moved so far along because there's possibility for price to start correcting. I like to catch these early moves before the big impulse happens. Yeah, welcome, welcome. Yeah, guys. So this is going to be the end of this session, guys. Hopefully it was very informative for everyone. But this is going to be the end of the session. I will send guys an update on this pair that we spoke about on Discord, and I'll continue to update you on the progress of this trip. But for now, guys, take care, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next session.